sense of style, there is from trendy to classic. Like the wind, her personality allows her to move about the world without restriction. Fashion sense is a state of mind, and no one should limit themselves to one direction. Thank you, Miss New Jersey. Next, we have our Miss Glow Virginia. Miss Glow Virginia is wearing something designed by her grandmother, Emma Baker. Her accessories are by H&G Formal. Skylar's sense of style is more on the modern chic side with a hint of sass. She loves bold prints and colors with calm accessories. Her personality is very outgoing, and her sense of fashion is a statement of its own. Thank you, Miss Virginia. Next contestant, Miss Glow Arkansas. She's wearing a swimsuit designed by Love Culture. She's wearing Martin Bank shoes, and her accessories are customized and handmade by herself. Her sense of style is a direct representation of how she sees herself. Modern, bold, bright, and expressive. She loves to add a little dash of color to everything, and is not afraid to allow herself to speak before she does. She doesn't intend to feel anything less than fabulous. Thank you, Miss Arkansas. Next, our Miss Glow Minnesota. Her swimsuit and accessories are designed by Laura Murphy. Her fashion style encompasses a full range of styles. She enjoys being feminine and glamorous, but can also rock a pair of Chuck Taylors and camo. This is a reflection of who she is as a woman as she lives outside her box. She can adapt and relate to any situation. Thank you, Miss Minnesota. Let's bring on the stage, Miss Glow Maine. The slogan of Maine, the way of life should be, is exactly with Patricia's sense of style. Patricia is comfortable wearing her famous LL Bean boots in the cold, snowy winter, wearing high fashion heels on stage before you this evening. The forever changing seasons of Maine allows Patricia to wear a diverse style of clothing. Thank you, Miss Maine. Next, Miss Glow, Indiana. Her swimsuit is designed by Venus Swimwear. Accessories by Brianna describes herself or her personal style in 3 ways: feminine, fun, and adventurous. These words describe her personality because Brianna is a young woman who loves trying new things. She also loves wearing both patterns and running in marathon. Thank you, Miss Indiana. Our next contestant is Miss Glow, Alaska. Rosemary is wearing a swimsuit designed by Vizcaya Swimwear and accessories by Rosemary herself. Her sense of style is chic and unique. She describes herself as peaceful, gracious, cultured, and artistic. Thank you so much, Miss Glow, Alaska. Our next contestant, Miss Glow, District of Columbia. Christina Daring is wearing a swimsuit for proms, pageants, and pretty things. She describes her sense of style as being classic and clean, mixed with the latest trends. She likes to keep it fairly simple, but enjoys experimenting with form and structure as well as all colors. She chooses her clothing based on how they make her feel. Now, not how she thinks or others will perceive her. She likes to have fun, and her sense of style reflects just this. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Globe, District of Columbia. Coming to the stage, Miss Globe, Maryland. Her accessories are designed by local DC Jewelry. Kelsey's style is business chic with a mix of simplistic glam. Her personality is one who is very business-minded and career-focused. She loves to convey a polished and stylish look. But most importantly, she loves to have fun and who doesn't want to have fun? Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Globe, Maryland. Our next candidate, Miss Globe, Arizona. This swimwear is designed by Gandhi and accessories by Lassie Rich. She describes her personality as a kind-hearted and hard-working individual. Her sense of style is fun and outgoing. She has an optimistic view on life and always tries to improve as a person and act more in line with her aspiration. Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Globe, Arizona. Alright, let's all bring back our diamond hoop for one last look. Alright, how about a strong round of applause? Thank you, ladies.
Next, we have the Emerald Group. Our next contestant this evening is Miss Globe, North Carolina, Alexis Drury. Alexis is wearing a swimsuit from Off the Rack. She is wearing accessories from proms, pageants, and pretty things. Her sense of style is uplifting and bright. She feels this describes her personality perfectly. She believes that positivity is the key to success and tries to demonstrate that quality through her everyday lifestyle, reflecting in her wardrobe. North Carolina, Alexis Drury. Our next contestant this evening in fashion swimsuit is Miss Globe, Illinois, United States, Katrina Jones. She is wearing a swimsuit designed by Ossos and herself. Her sense of style is to always stand out by wearing lots of colors and jewels. It describes her personality because she dares to be different. Let's welcome to the stage Miss Globe, Washington, United States, Emily Logan. She is wearing designs by Ori Swimwear and accessories by Helen's Heart. Emily describes her style as Audrey with a hint of Marilyn. She loves classic, simple looks, but with a hint of something sexy or modern. As she says, she feels like this describes her personality almost to a T. She can often look simple on the outside, but once you get to know her, simple is not the word that would even cross your mind. Thank you, Miss Globe, Washington, United States, Emily Logan. Next candidate is Miss Globe, Nevada, United States, Bianca Galen. She is wearing a swimwear and accessories designed by Navali Couture. Her sense of style is always girly, sometimes it is light and cute, and sometimes it's bold. Her style reflects her personality perfectly because she is always girly. She can come come off as shy at first, but once you get to know her, she can be bold and fun.
Let me hear you sound.
Ladies and gentlemen, Miss Globe, Nevada, Bianca Davis. Coming to the stage next is Miss Globe, Oklahoma, United States, Natalie Miller. Natalie will be wearing a swimsuit by Venus Swimwear with customized jewels by Guevara. Her accessories are by Jim Ball. Her sense of style comes from her grandmother, the brighter and better. Having fun with colors is to have fun with life, and her personality is just that. She loves to enjoy all the moments wherever the life's journey takes her. Thank you, Miss Globe, Oklahoma. Please welcome our next contestant to the stage, Miss Globe, Delaware, Nadia Williams. Nadia is wearing a fashion swimsuit by Semi Chi. Nadia feels the word style means opportunity. She feels it's the opportunity to express herself, to take to the lead, to be front and center, to set herself apart from the crowd, and to march to her own beats. She has a genuine sense of style and feels style should be fun, fabulous, and always trend-setting. And that is her. Thank you, Miss Globe, Delaware. Next candidate is Miss Globe, Florida, Jade Richardson. She's wearing a swimsuit designed by Lip Gloss Club Wear and accessories by Park Lane. She describes her sense of style as glamorous. She loves dressing up and going an extra mile to bring a bit of drama. She also admitted that she used to steal her mom's high heels when she was a child. Revolves around shoes. She loves bright, crazy, unique style of heels. She chooses her shoes first and styles her clothing around it. She feels her bright and bold shoes are a true reflection of her bold and outgoing personality. Thank you, Miss Globe, Massachusetts. The next contestant is Miss Globe, South Carolina, Gabriella Price. Gabriella is wearing a fashion swimsuit designed by Lady M, and her accessories are by Best and Forever Unique. Gabriella's style is versatile. She likes to try new trends and taking fashion risks, like with her vest tonight. This translates into her personality. She's adventurous and likes taking chances to get where she wants to go in life.